Want to learn how to build your own AI agent that manages and automates your emails in under 5 minutes? Stick around and I'll show you how to do it. So the first step you want to do is add the Telegram node. And we're going to do it on a new message. You can use your own credentials or you can create new Telegram credentials. Simply follow the documentation. Make sure that the trigger is on message. Next, we're going to add the AI agent. First step is I'm going to change it to define below, and we're going to copy and paste the JSON to get the text from the Telegram chat. Then I want to add OpenAI. You can use whatever LLM you want to use. Again, create your own credentials. I'm going to use my own and use GPT-4o mini. Next, I'm going to add some simple memory. Here, just make sure that you change connected chat trigger to define below, and we're going to store the chat ID here. This just gives it the context of what the previous messages have. Next, we're going to get the Gmail tool, and this is going to be so that we can get our emails. Here, we're just going to let the model decide how many emails to get. The next tool that we're going to add is the send email tool. So we go to Gmail, and we'll leave the operation as send. Let the model define our parameters. After this, we want to return the message back to Telegram. So we select the Telegram node, and we're going to say send text message. Here we want to add our chat ID. Make sure that we return the text from the AI agent. And the last step is to make sure that we set append n8n attribution to false. Let's save this and see how it goes. All right, so let's test this out. I'm just going to start the chat message. On the right hand side, you'll see the execution start to begin. The first one shows the message that was received, and we've referenced OpenAI and the simple chat memory. So let's enter my name is Chris, and we're going to test the simple memory now to show you that the execution has run. Our next message will be, what is my name? See, it's running again. It says, hello, Chris, how may I assist you further? Let's just check the executions. And it has referenced simple memory once again. Cool, now let's go and can you summarize the last 3 emails I've received? Let's just let it run for a couple seconds. We're going to get the messages from our Gmail node. And there you go, it's summarized the last 3 messages in my inbox. You'll be able to see that in the execution, it's used the get all message from Gmail. Next, I want to send an email to Will, and just note that we haven't told Will what the email address is. So the AI has asked us what Will's email is. Cool, so I've given it will@example.com, and now you'll see that it's running the execution and has sent an email to Will about grabbing lunch. So you can see in the execution here that it did fail when we tried to ask to send an email, but when we go Will's email, it actually worked. So I hope you found that short tutorial useful. Please don't forget to subscribe for more AI related content.